The impact of robotics on various sectors, including manufacturing, healthcare, and daily life, has been profound and transformative. Here's an analysis of the effects, along with ethical considerations in each area. 1. Manufacturing impact. Increased efficiency. Robotics has significantly enhanced production speed and efficiency. Robots can operate 24/7, reducing downtime and improving output rates. Quality improvement. Robots contribute to higher precision in manufacturing, leading to fewer defects and improved product quality. Cost reduction. Automation can lower labor costs and reduce the need for extensive human oversight, although initial investment in robotics can be high. Ethical considerations. Job displacement. The rise of robotics has raised concerns about job loss in manufacturing. Workers displaced by robots may struggle to find new employment without retraining. Working conditions. While robots can take on hazardous tasks, there are concerns about the safety of human workers and whether they may be pushed into more dangerous roles. Skill gap. The shift towards automation requires a workforce with new skills, creating a divide between those who can adapt and those who cannot. 2. Healthcare impact. Reduce recovery times and minimize the risk of infection. Patient care. Robots can assist with patient care, from delivering medications to helping with rehabilitation. They can also provide companionship to the elderly, addressing issues of loneliness. Data management. Robotics and AI streamline data management and analysis, allowing for better diagnostics and personalized medicine. Ethical considerations. Patient privacy. The integration of robotics in healthcare raises concerns about data privacy and the security of patient information. Autonomy and consent. As robots take on more decision-making roles, questions arise about patient autonomy and informed consent, particularly in scenarios where AI makes medical recommendations. Quality of care. There is debate about the extent to which robots can replace human interaction in healthcare, which is often vital for patient well-being. 3. Daily life impact. Home automation. Robotics has made inroads into everyday life with devices like robotic vacuum cleaners, lawnmowers, and smart home systems that enhance convenience and efficiency. Transport and logistics. Autonomous vehicles are being developed for personal use and goods delivery, promising to reduce traffic and improve logistics efficiency. Accessibility. Robots can assist individuals with disabilities, improving their quality of life and enabling greater independence. Ethical considerations. Dependency. There is concern that increasing reliance on robots for daily tasks may lead to decreased human capability and skills over time. Social isolation. While robots can provide companionship, there are concerns that reliance on robots may lead to reduced human interaction and increased feelings of loneliness. Equity and access. The benefits of robotics are not evenly distributed. Access to advanced robotic technologies may be limited by socioeconomic factors. Con. The integration of robotics into manufacturing, healthcare, and daily life has brought about significant advancements but also presents ethical challenges. Addressing these ethical considerations is crucial to ensure that the benefits of robotics are maximized while minimizing potential harm to individuals and society. Policymakers, businesses, and communities must collaborate to navigate these challenges, focusing on workforce retraining, equitable access to technology, and safeguarding personal privacy.